For centuries, humans have dreamed of conquering aging and living far beyond our current lifespans. Today, with breakthroughs in biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and genetic engineering, scientists are closer than ever to making this dream a reality. Research into senolytics, drugs that target aging cells, gene therapy, and regenerative medicine has shown promise in extending healthy human lifespans, potentially by decades. However, this possibility raises a critical ethical and logistical question. If humans live significantly longer, will Earth's resources sustain the population growth? Skeptics argue that radical life extension could lead to overpopulation, resource depletion, and economic strain, while proponents believe technological and societal adaptations will mitigate these risks. This article explores the latest scientific advancements in longevity, the demographic implications of extended lifespans, and potential solutions to prevent a Malthusian catastrophe. The science of longevity: how close are we to defying aging? Senolytics and cellular rejuvenation. Leading researchers like Dr. Aubrey de Grey and Dr. Judith Campisi have pioneered studies on senescent cells, dormant cells that accumulate with age and contribute to inflammation and tissue degradation. Drugs like dasatinib and quercetin have shown success in clearing these cells in mice, extending their lifespans by up to 36%. In 2023, Unity Biotechnology began human trials for senolytic therapies targeting age-related diseases like osteoarthritis and pulmonary fibrosis. If successful, these treatments could delay or even reverse aspects of aging. Genetic and epigenetic interventions. Dr. David Sinclair has demonstrated that activating the Yamanaka factors can reset cellular age in mice, effectively reversing aging in their eyes, muscles, and brains. His company Life Biosciences is working on epigenetic reprogramming therapies for humans. Meanwhile, Altos Labs, backed by billionaires like Jeff Bezos, is investing billions in cellular rejuvenation, aiming to develop treatments that could add decades to human life.
Altos Labs is a biotech startup focused on cellular reprogramming to reverse aging at the cellular level. Founded in 2021, it has quickly become one of the best-funded longevity companies in history, with $3+ billion in funding. The company is backed by some of the world's richest tech and biotech investors, including Jeff Bezos, Yuri Milner, Arch Venture Partners, and Hiroshi Mikitani. Altos Labs aims to reverse biological aging, not just extend lifespan. Their research is based on Yamanaka factors, which are Nobel Prize-winning genes that can reset cells to a younger state, epigenetic reprogramming, and senescence reversal, which involves removing zombie cells that cause aging-related diseases. Recent breakthroughs include a study published in Nature Aging, showing that partial reprogramming extends lifespan in mice by 30%. Human trials are expected within 5 to 7 years, targeting organ repair and age-related diseases. There is criticism and challenges, such as the hype around biological immortality and ethical concerns about the technology being accessible only to the ultra-rich, given Bezos's major investment. Altos Labs is compared to other longevity companies like Calico, Life Biosciences, and Unity Biotechnology, with Altos focusing on cellular reprogramming and having the highest funding among them. The success of Altos Labs could mean delaying aging by decades, but human applications are still years away. The biggest risk is overpromising without solid clinical proof, similar to past ventures like Ambrosia's blood transfusions. Altos Labs is the most ambitious and well-funded player in anti-aging research today. While full age reversal remains sci-fi, their work could lead to breakthroughs in treating Alzheimer's, heart disease, and other age-related conditions.
Blood-based therapies. Studies on young blood transfusions parabiosis have shown rejuvenating effects in older animals. Companies like Ambrosia and Alcest are exploring plasma-based therapies to combat age-related cognitive decline.
What happened to Ambrosia? Controversy and Fesgrau crackdown. Ambrosia gained notoriety 2016-2019 for offering young blood plasma transfusions at $8,000 per treatment, claiming anti-aging benefits. In 2019, the FDA issued a warning against such therapies, stating there was no proven clinical benefit and risks of harm, e.g. infections, immune reactions. The company ceased patient services shortly after. Critics, including longevity scientists like Dr. Irina Conboy, UC Berkeley, called it unproven and exploitative.
AI and drug discovery. Artificial intelligence is accelerating anti-aging research. In silico medicine, led by Dr. Alex Zavorokov, used AI to design senolytic drugs in just 18 months, a process that traditionally takes years. The overpopulation concern: can Earth handle immortal humans? Critics, including Dr. Paul Ehrlich, Stanford University, author of The Population Bomb, warned that extending human lifespans without reducing birth rates could lead to unsustainable population growth. Currently, Earth's population is 8 billion and projected to reach 10 billion by 2050. If people live to 150 plus years, the strain on food, water, and energy could be catastrophic. Pension crises: if people live longer, retirement systems could collapse. Healthcare overload: age-related diseases may persist, increasing medical costs. Housing and employment: longer lives mean fewer job openings and increased housing demand. A 2022 study in Nature Sustainability warned that even modest life extension could increase carbon emissions by 20 to 30% due to prolonged consumption. Possible solutions: how society could adapt population control measures, strict birth policies. Countries like Singapore and Japan already face declining birth rates. Incentivizing smaller families could balance longevity. Delayed reproduction: if people live longer, they may choose to have children later. Technological and agricultural advances: lab-grown meat and vertical farming could reduce land use. Fusion energy and solar power may provide unlimited clean energy. Space colonization: Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin, advocate off-world settlements to ease Earth's burden. Societal restructuring: phased retirement: people may work intermittently instead of retiring. Resource-based economies: AI and automation could optimize resource distribution. A balanced approach to immortality: while the science of longevity is advancing rapidly, the ethical and logistical challenges cannot be ignored. Dr. Jane Goodall, renowned primatologist, warns, we must not extend life at the cost of the planet. However, with smart policies, technological innovation, and global cooperation, humanity may find a way to enjoy longer, healthier lives without triggering a demographic disaster. The key lies not just in living longer, but in living sustainably. Would you want to live to 150 if it meant stricter population controls? Or should we focus on improving quality of life rather than its length? The debate continues.